we have actualized in Meru County alone is 15,000 acres, benefiting 8,000 farmers. Now, Your Excellency, what we have done, we have gone inside the forest and we have done an intake at this point. The conveyance line is 34 kilometers all the way up to that point. 34 kilometers all the way up to that point. And the whole project is 178 kilometers, the whole of this coverage, in terms of the pipelines. Your Excellency, this project covers rewards. There's Kibirichi and Tubiri, Ruiri, and Kirua, Nahari. Right now, we are in Kibiricha. The contractor was Abi Construction Company Limited, and the source of water at this point is the Kadita River. The total target is 2,000 acres, and the total number of farmers is 3,700. The total cost is 284 million, Your Excellency. The start date was September 2021, and we completed in February 2023. Your Excellency, in terms of benefits, what the farmers are achieving is 200,000 per acre. So in terms of the economy in this place, every year the farmers are getting 400 million vis-a-vis the 284 million which we invested. The return period was exactly 2 years. In terms of the alignment of the project, Your Excellency, the project contributes towards reducing the cost of living by improving agricultural productivity in the form of bottom-up and economic model transformation, Your Excellency. So these are some of the farms we'll be able to take you through, Your Excellency. You'll be able to see onions being grown. There's on-farm water storage, and these are kales being grown on the farm. Your Excellency, this is what I mentioned, the projects which are in the whole of Meru County. As I indicated, the total portfolio, we have invested 2.3 billion Kenya shillings. Your Excellency, this is just part of the projects which you extracted because of space. But in other words, we are investing 2.3 billion, which we are benefiting in terms of 600,000 in terms of the farmers who are 6,000 farmers at this point, but in total is 15,000 Your Excellency, as I mentioned. So in the county also, the whole of Meru County, Your Excellency, there are water projects which are there. In total, we have completed 17 water projects, 6 are ongoing, and in total, that is 24. Yeah, these are the details, Your Excellency. So in terms of also the dams, because you are very passionate about the dams, as an authority, we have also identified dams which can command irrigation. We have a total number of 14 dams in total, and in terms of benefiting. Is in Imenti South, Your Excellency? No. Garanaithi, Buri. Yes. Do you know where that is? Yes. Garanaithi. Yeah. And the ceremony and the Timau. Yes. Yes. And they serve even like Kipia. Yes. So Your Excellency. Yes. Yes. But it cost. Actually, Your Excellency, you can see the high grant force. The cost which we have is 77 billion. Vis-a-vis 156 billion, which was there before, Your Excellency. But I thought this one, Chipino, what was the figure? 23. Okay. Okay. Oh. So we'll correct that, Your Excellency. But most of these others, we have captured the validated cost. And then the power generation. The hydropower is here, Your Excellency? Yes. Yes. What is that 0.4? Is that megawatts? Or? These are megawatts. Why is the power? I thought we are going to get more power than that. I think, Your Excellency, is because of the large area we are combating in terms of irrigation, we are not releasing much water for hydropower. Yes, 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 Your Excellency.